Hey there, fine people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would go over how I organize my stamping plates. I buy these index card holders. They're designed to hold 4x6 index cards. I get them at Walmart when I'm picking up my groceries. Then I organize them. Trying to organize them kind of along subject lines. So this is I need to make a section for food. I just got this food one, but like I've got some 3D things and then abstract, crafts, flames. These were a mix. These plates, they're not. They're a very broad mix, so I just put them in the mix one. I've got movies and TV, nerdy. When I first started doing this, I couldn't find my Brother label maker, so I stuck some letters on there. As I get time, I'll replace that. So this is, I kind of thought tattoo was a good category because a lot of these symbols are tattoo-like. They're not necessarily Halloween. I didn't know what else to stick them in. Snakes, webs, words and numbers. I probably would normally put snakes and webs in with my mostly the Halloween box is almost a box all by itself. This is my Halloween box, and before I got this pack of index card dividers, I made my own. I cut them out of cardstock and glued them onto cardboard so they'd be thicker, but I cut them about a ½ inch too short, so they kind of really, like you can see, they blend right into, they match the height of the these big plates, so they don't stick up far enough, so I couldn't see what the subject was. Also, it was kind of a pain in the butt to glue them on, cut 2 pieces of cardboard and glue them together. And I did this, I have a silhouette, and sometimes it cut well, sometimes it didn't. There was a lot of mess. So I thought I would try the ones from Amazon, the index card holders or dividers from Amazon. And you can see this box is mostly full. And I've got Halloween. This section is all Halloween. In fact, this should go in front. I don't know why it's there. This is all Halloween, and then I separated out Mystic, because a lot of this stuff can go with Halloween, but they're just moons and stars, stuff like that. And then I have a section for skulls. And then this is my mostly nature box. Animals, bugs and birds, flowers, leaves and trees, mandalas, which the mandalas are usually flowery type, but I thought that they should be separate from regular flowers. Nature, just natural scenes, It could have a variety of animals, plants, trees. This This is other cultures. So I put my like Asian plates and Valhalla. Sea, sky. Anyway, the main point I wanted to show was that these dividers are great. I really like them. They stick up enough, and they're a different color. You know, the color stands out from all the stamping plates, so I appreciate that. How do you organize your stamping plates? Have you found any readily available boxes or containers to hold your plates? I was really happy that I found those boxes at Walmart, and I can, you know, add a new one whenever I need to. I started out with 3. Now I've got 4, and I bought an extra one to hold any new overflow I generate. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. I love to talk about anything related to nails, nail stamping, nail polish, all that stuff. So have a great day. I wanted to show you these backings that I got for stamping plates from AliExpress. You can also get something similar on Amazon. I haven't seen this exact size, but I have seen this size. But I got these. I've gotten these purple ones from both Amazon and now AliExpress. Definitely more affordable on AliExpress. Although you do have to wait longer to get them. So I got these plates for mostly for St. Patrick's Day, but there are also some Easter plates in there. And when they're laying flat on the silicone mat that I use, they can be really hard to pick up. Plus they're sharp, and if I'm picking up a whole stack of them, I worry that I could, you know, cut myself or hurt myself. So who wants that? So I wonder which way I should put the ring. Maybe on the right side. No, you'd be holding, if you were doing it, you'd hold the ring in your left hand if you're right-handed. And maybe the top. I don't know. I don't know. The tab's kind of annoying. I'm going to put it to the left. You just squeeze them on there. Let's see. I have one. This is an Uber Chic plate, and for New Year's. And this particular one, I got it from Amazon. They're very curved, and I probably should have done something to help flatten them out because it keeps separating away from the plate. If you have any tips about how to prevent that or how to keep it sticking, let me know. I might stick some super glue or something under it on the edges, because I've tried putting like a box of heavy plates on top to flatten it out, but it keeps springing back into that curve. So if you have a curved plate, definitely try to flatten it out before you attach. If you have a curved backing, flatten it out before you try to attach a plate. Like these are a little curved, but this was really badly curved. There we go. Just want to get something pointy under there. How did I decide to do this? Okay. These were not the greatest plates. I really struggled for St. Patty's Day with this one. I'll link that video in the comments or in the cards up in the upper right hand corner. These are a little warped, but I think the small size of the plate makes it not such a big deal, whereas on that big plate, it's causing a problem. Do you like to have backings on your plates? I would say 90% of my plates come with a backing. I'm always surprised when they don't. I'm surprised the Uber Chic ones don't have a backing, and some of my, I think the clear jelly stampers don't either. Maybe some of them do, some of them don't. Let me see. Okay, here are two different clear jelly stamper plates. This one came with a backing. This one didn't. And this is a really weird size. I mean, I don't know what I can put on the back of this one. And the way the adhesive is on these things, if I used one that was bigger than this, there'd be a lot of adhesive around the edges. So don't necessarily want to do that. Easter, St. Patty's Day. And they came with, these ones came with this little split ring. Kind of, I don't know why I would use a ring on it, but there you go. I guess here's a Moutine one. And it was a little curved, and it's pulling away a little bit, but still. I haven't had any fall off. These are the ones I got from Amazon right here. And these are the ones that came from AliExpress. And I got purple because it was the cheapest color. So let's try one. See, these are quite bent. Wow. Okay, so the pack from Amazon, let's see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. I was thinking maybe that I got a lot more in my AliExpress one, but I don't think so. Okay, I'm just marking these. I'm going to try and straighten them out. So I can get them flatter. I have like a little coffee warmer. I'm going to stick these on there with something on top on the lowest temperature and see if I can't warm them up and flatten them out. There's a slight difference between the colors, I think. Like maybe this is slightly darker. Okay, so this has been on the cup warmer for a while. It's plenty warm. Kind of heated the adhesive up. Hopefully I didn't wreck it. I'm hoping the warmth, I mean, I've been it a couple times, but I'm hoping the warmth plus the plate will keep it straight. Same with these. This is the AliExpress one. Amazon one. And I kept a note on the back so I'd know. I don't know why I want to know that. Just see if there's any difference over time. It has been 11 days since I started recording this video about these plates, and I heated both of these up to try and straighten them out. There's still a little lifting on the edges on both of them, both the AliExpress and the Amazon one. Not much difference there. Still haven't used this plate, and I don't think I've used this plate since then, but anyway, heating it up I think helped a little with the curvature of the backing, but not that much, and I don't really notice much difference between these two and the other plates that I've done without heating them up. So don't bother. It's not that important. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any organizational tips or if you have any questions about how I did mine. As always, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.